and it can make them call you or even test you with a good proposal. It helped me a lot. I'm getting much more proposal now on LinkedIn than I have ever get before, and that's because I'm following all this road. Alright, if you're serious about landing more jobs offers, stick around because I'm about to give you 3 power tips that will make your LinkedIn profile pop and grab recruiters' attention. The last one is a total game changer. First thing first, your headline isn't just your job title. Make it a mini pitch. Include every keyword for your field and say something that shows your value. Stand out in at least just one line. Okay, so that line over there is for you to shine. It's your moment. You know the 50-second that people say?
Never say never, but I'm not going to say yes.
That's your 50-second of fame. So do it. Work on it very hard because this stuff is going to help you a lot. Trust me, I have done it and it just changed my life forever on LinkedIn. Second, nail your profile picture. Your profile pic is your first impression, so keep it clean. I know a lot of people are not using photos anymore, and you can do it. Okay, it's not like on LinkedIn it's very important to have a picture because a lot of professional people do it. So you can do it, but I really don't recommend. I recommend you to have like a picture over there because the photo can be the first impression that people is gonna have from you, especially if you don't have too much like followers and connection out there. Your picture can make the whole difference. Well, it has its perks too because your picture can also speak bad things about you, so you gotta watch out on the picture that you're gonna put there because it's gonna make a whole difference, trust me. So it must be professional and friendly. So get a high quality shot with good lighting, okay? It can help a lot. Show off your achievements. Don't just list tasks. It's very easy just to do it. The point is, can you show off your achievements? And then show off what you achieved. Use numbers, data, and results to promote your impact. You know how I describe it, my achievement here? It makes people really go in that and they already know what you have done. So the recruiters will look at you with a different eyes and it can make them call you or even test you with a good proposal. It helped me a lot. I'm getting much more proposal now on LinkedIn than I have ever get before, and that's because I'm following all this road. So your results, it's a proof of your impact and is what makes them hit that connect button.
Yes, definitely.
There you go. Okay. Try this and watch the job offers roll in. Hit the subscribe button if you're ready for more tips, and let me know in the comments which one you update first. And if you're watching from LinkedIn, don't forget to connect and follow. So, see you on my next coffee.